Another common question we get in clinic is about whooping cough, or pertussis, as we call it in the medical community. Again, this is something we do commonly see. It can present as normal as a cold. A lot of times people don't even know they have this. And when to bring your child in is a question we have, and when do they need treatment? What we would say is if there's any concern about the child breathing, are they having trouble catching their breath? Are they coughing so much that they are throwing up and can't sleep? And really any breathing difficulty is always when we'd need to see them. It's easy to treat with one dose of a medication, and we can get you well quickly.